the glass inside the tank. Okay, if you've got a glass lining, you got to be gentle with it. Even when you transport it. You can't like hang it out the side of the car or back out of the trunk, because if it's bouncing, you could damage the inside.
How do you know it's dirty?
Huh?
How do you know it's dirty?
If you damage it,
Yeah, how do you know that?
you're not going to know for a while. Okay, if it's brand new and it starts immediately after a couple of weeks with rusty water, you might have damaged the glass lining, because now you're picking up some rust off the tank. They make the tanks out of crap.
It have a shut-off button? It have a shut-off button?
Makes the water
I think you got a valve
clean. Makes it
at the
drinkable.
top.
It's like drinking out of a
But
glass.
it have a button, you know, to turn off or no?
Okay.
It have a
All right, what else we got? That's it. Reverse the process.
For the gas.
Hook your gas up. Do your little plumbing on the top. Hook your flue up. Run through the instructions. Hold the button down. Turn the gas on. Things should light. Easy to go. When you're filling the tank, when the tank is initially filling up with hot water, open this again. Because what happens is, the air in the tank keeps the water from filling the tank. So you think you filled it after 10 minutes, and it's still kind of light. But the air in the tank is holding the water out. So you open this and you're going to get air coming out. And when the water starts running out of here, you close it, and you know it's pretty full. And then you go.
That's it.
Okay? Not hard to do. If you've got an electric hot water heater, all you're going to do is disconnect the electric line, hot and cold water. Good to go.
That's
No
it.
flue, no gas line, no nothing. Okay? He says he's got one in Pennsylvania. Yeah, the electric rates in Pennsylvania are probably half the cost in New York City. Okay?
The tank transporter, you come in electric also?
No, yeah. Tankers comes in electric, gas, and oil. Okay? But around here, the oil is smelly, messy, inconvenient.
How many lines have? Three, right?
So everything tends to go
Gas
natural
line,
gas.
hot water
Electric
line,
here,
cold water
occasionally.
line.
But they use a lot of little tankless electric hot water heaters
To turn off
in a place
water
where you
or the
need.
gas.
Or each have a
You turn it off, you shut it off.
You just put a little kitchen in your workshop or your basement or something. Okay?
Okay, but
You got
that,
cold
that
water,
thing have
but you don't have
a
any hot
button
water.
to turn off, you know, like TV,
If I put a little
switch it on
tankless hot
or
water
have a
heater
button, right?
underneath the cabinet or maybe
That's the button, right? The red one, right?
this big,
That's the button to turn off. Oh, that
and
one.
plug it in,
Oh, I got
I got
it.
instant hot water.